Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. So, of course, Riley's up and running, and she's got Ellie. She's playing with Ellie this morning. Yay! So she's already had her breakfast. She got up very early. We had our cuddle time, and now she's downstairs having playtime. Are you playing with Ellie? Oh, okay. I was going to say that was quick. Nope. You giving up on Ellie? What else is in here? So we have all of Rylie toys downstairs. We brought them. Because my bed was getting way too crowded. She does have 3 dental chews. Mr. Carrot. She has all her toys. Where are you going? Come on, you gonna play? Huh? Are you gonna play? Are you ready? Do you want to go outside? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? You just want to say happy Friday? You want to wish everyone tons and tons of happy blessings? Tell everyone we hope they have an absolutely beautiful day. You looking for something else? What do you want? Huh? What are you going to play with? Oh, no. Mr. Carrot. Is that who we're going to play with? We still have the cat tunnel. I was definitely thinking about getting rid of it because it does take up some room. But since Rylie plays in it, I guess we have to keep it, right? All right, Rylie. We just want to say good morning. We hope everyone, like we said, has an absolutely beautiful day, right? And don't forget, Rylie loves you. Bye.